to our TV channel. This afternoon I'm working on the range of superfood, food that heals and food that can harm our health as human beings. Today I'm working on grapefruit. Grapefruit are actually part of the family of citrus fruits. They are larger than oranges and usually quite sour to taste. To sweeten them up, some people add in a tiny sprinkle of sugar, but I usually like to eat them raw as they come. The good thing about them is that they have good health benefits of providing a lot of the daily needs of our vitamin C. Half a grapefruit will give you half the recommended daily dose of vitamin C. And the grapefruits usually come in three colors. You have the yellow ones, you have the pink one, and you have the red one. The one I've got here is the red one. The red ones are actually higher in vitamin C than the yellow ones. So also the pink ones. So this species are the pink and the red ones. Eat them, you can peel them and cut them into segments, into a flanel, or you can just cut it into half, which I'm going to do because it makes it quite easier to eat. They are also very good blood pressure level. They contain the bioflavonoids, which is believed to fight cancers as well. I'm not sure about that, but from the research I did, that's what I found. A little note as well on grapefruit: if you are on certain medications for high blood pressure, it's written clearly on the prescription and also the boxes of those tablets not to eat or take any grape juice or grapefruit. So to eat a grapefruit, you can slice them into two. So I'm using a sharp knife. I've washed mine. So you cut it into two. You can see how lovely pinky it is. So I'm going to place it on my little sundae cup and push in a little cherry just for decoration. You can serve this with a dessert spoon and you just scoop it out and eat. Enjoy. You can also juice your grapefruit into grapefruit juice. So I've got this little juicer, the manual one. I'm just going to pop it in and twist to get the juice out of my grapefruit. Enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and tick like to all our videos to keep us encouraged and coming back. Thank you and see you